Kiva Fine Rugs is Panama's prime destination for the most beautiful handcrafted rugs in the world. Kiva Fine Rugs features the largest selection of sizes, colors, textures, and designs anywhere in Panama. And Kiva Fine Rugs is the exclusive dealer of rugs from Safavia, Endless Knot Rug Company, Tibetano, Avison, as well as many others.
As an interior designer, it's a very difficult job to find the right area rug. Here at Kiva Fine Rugs, it's just a very easy task. I used to travel from one store to the other or from one city to the other looking for the right selection, and it was just a very painful job. And now at Kiva Fine Rugs, it just makes it so easy because they have a huge selection with all different kinds of price ranges, all different types of rugs for indoor use, for outdoor use, for the mountains, for the beaches, for the city. They have everything they have is very tastefully selected. The customer service here is great, and it just makes it a very, very nice experience.
Kiva Fine Rug Showroom is open 6 days per week and employs a bilingual staff. Visit them today, located in Panama City's Old Barrio District on Calle 57 in the Times Square Plaza, just next to Manolo's Restaurant, or call them at 214-4563 or 214-4567.